On the 4th of January 2023, Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, announced his plans to engage students in continuing further study of maths up until the age of 18. How exactly he plans to do this, we still do not know yet, but what we do know is that this announcement was met with much disapproval amongst the public. It would be wrong of us to attempt to quantify the response of the majority opinion from a few flimsy observations. But what we do know is that many did not hide their feelings. Some took it as a personal attack, expressing that maths is not for everyone and it would be better to push subjects that students on the creative side could enjoy a lot more. Whereas others had stated that there's already enough strain on the academic sector right now, and certainly maths teachers are already such a scarcity. But this is what the whole debacle has revealed. The education sector has failed in changing the attitude that many have towards mathematics. If truly we aim to help people in this area, our first line of duty is changing the perception that it's too hard or it's so irrelevant. I mean, 8 million adults in the UK are only literate in maths up to primary school level. I'm sure everyone can admit that there's a major problem that we may have failed to identify the consequences of. So, therefore, teachers are reporting work burnout at an alarming rate and leaving the field even more drastically. Many entrepreneurial attempts have been made in providing the resources to assist the learning of an individual, or many individuals, but none really make it fun. Most will admit to you that if their mindset towards the subject indeed ever happened to change while at secondary school, it was not because it got easier, or because they got smarter, but because somebody else took over and taught it much better. We hope to bring that change here at HOMESKLD. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our ever-evolving website for more information.